Put your cars down. Who is that?
Can I help you? I think it's Percy. Let's see.
Put those cars down.
Oh,
Turn it along.
look at that. Who is that? What's Percy doing in the box?
Pull the handle. Oh, yay!
Percy.
You pull the handle right here.
Good. Percy.
He's gonna light the way.
Yeah.
It'll be all new again after New Year's. Here, Jackson, now we'll take it.
Well, this school bus is the big hit. All right, Jackson, let's open some more presents. What's this?
I got another cat rope too. Oh. How many cards?
Do you want to sit in the school bus? It's a chair. See, you sit your butt on it.
Really useful engine.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That's what they
That's
say.
the whole point of.
That's the brain wash that they're using there.
They have to be useful.
Useful engine.
They're not useful, they go to the graveyard, huh? Percy.
Nice
Why don't you
Percy.
put your little cars down for a minute? Jackson, put your cars down.
Issues, I think.
I think doesn't want to let those cars go.
He does not like the.
Let them go.
Put it down. Yeah.
How many cars?
You tell me.
How many cars do you have? How many cars do you have?
Well, then let them look in the stocking and they'll have two more little.
No. We have all these presents to get through.
Don't worry about it. Mama, open the present.
Meow Meow's going to open your presents, Jackson. Are you going to open your presents or you want Meow Meow to?
Jackson, you want to open this one? Look, Kitty Mau Mau tried to open that one. Can you open that one? Yay! Look at all the buses you have.
How many cars?
I don't know. Count them.
Count them. How many cars do you have?
Oh, mommy.
Whoa, Mommy.